how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. I'm going to talk about this pot today. I've had loads and loads of mails and messages about this pot. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. It's made by a company called Copperchef. Just want to point out that they have not paid me. I bought this with my own money. There's no endorsement on the go here, but they really are amazing. I'm so happy with this. Really good. And what I've done is I've just now got a box, like a box set, 8-piece box set that we're going to show you. But yeah, I'll leave all the links and that for this stuff down there. Super happy. Probably one of the best pots I've ever used. Yeah, so got this box here, Copperchef, 8-piece. So we've got an 8-inch, a 7-inch pan with a glass lid, a 12-inch wok with a glass lid, a 10-inch casserole pot with a glass lid, and a 10-inch frying pan. Let's get it open. Right, there you go then. So I am super delighted. Loads of packaging, which you might be able to see just in the corner on the floor there. Really well packed. So that's the same size pot that I've been using, but this one comes with a lid. I don't have a lid for that one. I just got the kind of pot. That's a good thing for like casseroles or something. Nice little pan there for an omelette. Little saucepan there. Really happy. Now, the great thing about these is they're 100%, listen to this, they're 100% Pfoa and Ptfe free. I have no idea what that bloody means. But basically, yeah, you can look on their website. Like I say, I'll leave the link. They're like a 5-layered or something, kind of different metals in with a certain coating. I can't remember what it's called now. You can use these without oil, so they're kind of they're proper non-stick. So no oil, you can still just get in there and start using them. But that's it. I'm delighted with these. Like I say, by chance I bought that first one, and like I say, loads of you got onto me about it. I've now invested in these ones. They're not even that expensive, really. I know, I can't remember what they are now, like $100 or something for this set or something like that. But yeah, real fantastic quality. Not endorsed by me, but if Copperchef wants to send me loads of stuff, I'd be delighted. That's it. See you later.